Building muscle isn't just about lifting heavy weights or eating everything in sight. It's about strategy. You need a plan tailored to your body, your metabolism, and your goals. And today, I'm going to give you the ultimate bulking routine. Whether you're a hard gainer, someone looking to bulk cleanly, or a beginner ready to pack on serious size, this plan is designed to transform you into a beast. Grab your notebook. You're about to unlock the secrets of building mass the right way. Let's get started. Section 1. Why bulking is hard and how we fix it. If you've ever tried to bulk and failed, you probably ran into one of these 3 problems. Let's break them down so we can fix them right now. 1. Not eating enough. This is the most common mistake, especially for hard gainers. You think you're eating a lot, but when you actually track your calories, it's nowhere near enough to build muscle. Remember, to gain size, you need to eat in a calorie surplus. We'll calculate exactly how much you should eat later in this video. 2. Dirty bulking. On the other hand, some people go all out, eating everything in sight. Fast food, junk, you name it. While this might make the scale go up, most of that weight is fat, not muscle. We're going to focus on a clean bulk to maximize muscle gain and minimize fat gain. 3rd, no structured plan. Finally, you can't just wing it. Bulking without a proper workout routine is like building a house without a blueprint. It's not going to work. You need a program that stimulates muscle growth while tracking progress over time. So, how do we solve these problems? With a detailed plan tailored to your body type and goals. Section 2. Who are you? The 3 types of people trying to bulk. Just like with fat loss, not all bulking routines work for everyone. Let's figure out where you fit so you can follow the right strategy. 1. The hard gainer. You've got a fast metabolism and struggle to gain weight no matter how much you eat. You might have a lean, skinny frame and find it hard to build muscle. Your goal is to eat big, train efficiently, and focus on recovery. 2. The clean bulker. You're someone who wants to build muscle without adding much fat. You might have a slower metabolism or simply want to stay lean while bulking. Your goal is to eat slightly above maintenance and train with precision. 3. The beginner bulker. You're new to lifting or just starting your first bulk. Your body is primed for growth, so you can gain muscle faster than most. Your goal is to eat enough to fuel your workouts and take advantage of those beginner gains. Now that you know where you fit, let's dive into the details. What you should eat and how you should train. Section 3. The diet plan. What to eat exactly. When it comes to bulking, your diet is the foundation. You need to eat more calories than you burn, but it's not just about calories. It's about eating the right foods to fuel muscle growth. Let's break it down by type. Hard Gainer's diet plan. Calorie target, maintenance calories plus 500 to 700. Macronutrient breakdown. 40% carbs, 30% protein, 30% fats. Meal 1, breakfast. 3 scrambled eggs. 1 cup oats with a handful of blueberries and 1 tablespoon peanut butter. 1 glass whole milk. Meal 2, lunch. 150 grams grilled chicken breast. 1 cup brown rice. 1 cup steamed broccoli with olive oil. Meal 3, dinner. 200 grams ground beef or turkey. 1 baked sweet potato. 1 cup green beans. Snacks. 1 banana with almond butter. 1 protein shake. Whey isolate plus milk. Adjustments. Over time. If the scale isn't moving after 2 weeks, increase calories by 200 per day. Keep adding until you're gaining 0.5 to 1 kilogram per week. Clean bulker's diet plan. Calorie target. Maintenance calories plus 300 to 500. Macronutrient breakdown. 35% carbs, 35% protein, 30% fats. Meal 1, breakfast. 3 boiled eggs, 1 slice whole grain toast, 1 avocado. Meal 2, lunch. 150 grams baked salmon, 1/2 cup quinoa, 1 cup roasted asparagus, Meal 3, dinner, 150 grams grilled chicken thighs, 1 cup zucchini noodles, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Snacks, cottage cheese with a handful of walnuts, protein shake with spinach and almond milk. Adjustments, over time, track your body fat percentage. If fat gain exceeds muscle gain, lower carbs slightly and increase protein. Beginner bulkers diet plan. Calorie target, maintenance calories plus 400 to 600. Macronutrient breakdown, 40% carbs, 30% protein, 30% fats. Meal 1, breakfast, 4 boiled eggs, 1/2 cup oats with honey, black coffee. Meal 2, lunch, 200 grams grilled chicken breast, 1 cup white rice, 1 cup mixed vegetables. Meal 3, dinner, 150 grams lean steak, 1 cup mashed potatoes, 1 cup steamed carrots. Snacks, Greek yogurt with a handful of granola, peanut butter and jelly sandwich, whole grain bread. Adjustments, over time. If you're gaining more than 1 kilogram per week, reduce calories slightly to minimize fat gain. Section 4, the workout plan. Build muscle, gain mass. Your workout routine needs to stimulate muscle growth through progressive overload. That means lifting heavier weights over time. Here's how to train based on your level and how to adjust as you grow stronger. Hard Gainers workout plan. Weekly schedule, 4 days of compound lifts, plus cardio day 1, upper body strength. Bench press, 5 sets, x 5 reps. Pull-ups, 4 sets to failure. Overhead press, 4 sets, x 6 reps. Day 2, lower body strength. Squats, 5 sets by 5 reps. Romanian deadlifts, 4 sets x 8 reps. Leg press, 3 sets x 12 reps. How to progress. Add 2.5 to 5 kilograms to your lifts every week. Reduce rest times gradually to increase intensity. Clean Bulkers workout plan. Weekly schedule, 5 days of split routine. Day 1, chest plus triceps. Flat bench press, 4 sets, x 8 reps. Incline dumbbell press, 4 sets, x 10 reps. Tricep dips, 3 sets to failure. Day 2, back plus biceps. Deadlifts, 4 sets by 6 reps. Barbell rows, 4 sets, x 8 reps. Dumbbell curls, 3 sets, x 12 reps. How to progress. Track weekly volume, sets x reps, x weight, and aim to increase by 5 to 10% every 3 to 4 weeks. Beginner Bulkers workout plan. Weekly schedule, 3 days full body workouts. Full body circuit, repeat 4 times. Squats, 10 reps. Push-ups, 12 reps. Dumbbell rows, 10 reps per side. How to progress. Focus on form first. Only increase weight when your form is solid. Add 1 to 2 sets to each exercise after 3 weeks. Remember, warriors, these are the basics. These are the theories that work. Adjust it to your needs and get bulked. Bulking isn't about perfection. It's about showing up consistently, tracking your progress, and making adjustments as you go. The ultimate bulking routine is in your hands now. It's time to transform. Drop a "Monster Bulk Activated" in the comments, and let's grow together. Until next time, peace out, warriors.